The first step of the 3x3 is to scramble it up. Very easy. Just do some random turns until all of the colors are mixed up. Like for example, like this, normal, okay? Now we are going to start to actually solving the cube. So the first step is to do the white cross. And I know many people who show tutorials say, first put all of the white pieces up here, but it's just a waste of time. So we grab edge piece with the white side and we just put it in place where there's the centerpiece of the other color. So here's the blue one, blue white. We put it with the blue and then we slide it down. And then we need to find another one, the red one, which is with the red. Slide it down. And then the green one, which is here. So we put in the green slot, put it down, and then put this one back. What I just did now, it was I brought this one down here, so this one left. We put this one back, and then we just slide it back in. So now we already have the white cross. Now we just need to do the corners. Also very easy. What we need to do is find a white corner. Here are two, so let's start with this one, which is white, green, and red. So we need to find the green, red, and the white. So here we can just do a little algorithm, which is like up, slide to left, down, slide to right, up, slide to left, down, slide to right, up, slide to the left, down, slide to the right, until, we do that until we have it into place. So here it's something different. We just put it in already. This one leaves, I know, but then we need to put it safe in a little space, bring this one back up, and then like that, okay? And then you repeat it. Bring inside, put it somewhere safe, bring this one back to its place and slide it back. Now we have this one in place. We need to do this one now. Same story. Now we're pushing this one down. So we push that one, we bring this thing to somewhere safe, bring this back and put it here. Perfect. We just need one more. Push it, bring it back somewhere safe, put it back, and that's it. So now we already have the white face. Remember, it's really important that all of these pieces are the same color, like this, and that they align with the middle centers, okay? So now we have to do the middle layer, which is this one. So what we need to find is an edge piece and put it with the color it is, okay? If it has a yellow color, then you don't need it, like this one. This one we're not gonna use. So, this is a red color. It's red and green. So the green needs to go, this piece has to go here, right? So what we're gonna do is push it to the other side, bring this thing up, push this where it was before, bring this down, push this again, slide this face up is, counterclockwise, and slide to left and clockwise. And there we have it, it's in. And then we repeat it. Okay, here we have the next piece. We align it, since it has to go there, we need to push it to the left, bring your right hand face up, slide this to the right, bring your right hand face down, then push it to the right again, move this face counterclockwise, push it to the left, clockwise, then we have it here, okay? Let's do it 2 more times. Put like that. So slide to the right, up, slide to the left, down, slide to the left, bring this clockwise now, slide to the right and down. So over here, depends on what side it needs to go. You need to do it a different way. So it's basically opposite. It's the same algorithm, but opposite sides. Now we have this. So, well, I'm gonna do something which is not good, which is basically putting this one here, making it go here, just to show you another example of what could happen to you. So, don't pay attention to this. It's the same algorithm. Okay, here. If this happens to you, then what you need to do is do the same algorithm, but since the right piece isn't somewhere here, then you need to put any of these pieces in there so that this one can come out and then you can put it right, okay? So we'll just grab this piece and we're gonna put it there. So slide to the right, bring this up, slide to the left, bring this down, slide to the left, move this clockwise, slide to the right, and bring this counterclockwise downwards. So now we have this piece here. We put in its position and slide to the right, bring this up, slide to the left, bring this down, slide to the left again, turn this clockwise, slide to the right, and bring this counterclockwise. And now we have the whole second layer finished. Now the last part is to do the yellow layer. So now for the yellow layer, we need to start with the yellow cross. It doesn't have to be well for now, but just having all of the yellow pieces up. So here there are 4 scenarios. You either just have a yellow dot, you have this like L shape, you have a complete line, or you have them all done. If you have them all done, don't worry. You don't need to do anything for this algorithm. But if you have it in any other scenario, it's going to go upward. So it's going to go from a dot to the L, to the line, to the cross. When it starts with the dot, it's going to put the L but reverse. Remember, you need to put the L where it's looking up here, you know? So when you do the dot, you're going to see this. When you do the algorithm with the dot, it's going to be like this. You just turn your cube here and that's it. The algorithm is you slide this clockwise and then you do up, left, down, right, and then put this back in place. So counterclockwise. And now we're gonna have the line. It goes from dot L line cross, if I didn't say it. So again, slide clockwise, up, left, down, right, and then put it back in place. And now we're gonna have it, it's gonna be finished. Okay, so yeah, basically. Now we need to put the things well. You're for sure going to have at least 2 pieces. Well, you can turn it as many times as you want, but at one point, like this, you know, at one point you're gonna have 2 pieces well in its place of the yellow cross and 2 pieces badly. You can have all of them well at the first one, but it's improbable. You can have 2 pieces like this well or 2 pieces like this well. If it's 2 pieces like this well, you need to put it here, so good piece, bad piece, bad piece, and then do the algorithm. I'm gonna tell you now. If you have 2 of these, you can put it either like this or like this, do the algorithm, and then you're gonna have 2 of these pieces, and then you do what I'm gonna do now. So the algorithm is pretty simple. Up, left, down, left, up, left, down, left. Now you can have them all. I'm going to repeat it to you, okay? So we have this, we're gonna turn it until we have 2 right, which is here, and now up, left, down, left, up, left, and down, and then another left. So now we have them all correct. Right now we have to find for a yellow corner, which is in its right place, not turned in its right place, but just in the right place. Understand? Right now I don't have anyone, so I'm just gonna show you the algorithm. And when you don't have anything, well, you just need to do the algorithm until you have one. So the algorithm in this case is your right side up, then right, your left side up, then left, then your right side down, then right, and your left side down, and right, and left, sorry. And then, yeah, now in theory you should have one, maybe you don't, you just do it again. When you have one that's in right place, you can see it by this, because blue, red, yellow, blue, red, yellow. So it's in its right place. Now we just need to put this one here and do the same algorithm. Right side up, right, left side up, left, right side down, right, left side down, left. Now you should have them all in its right position, but if not, you just do the algorithm again. And when you have them all in the right position, you just need to do one more algorithm. And that one more algorithm is easy. You just flip this over and you need to do left side, well, this side up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left. And once you have it looking upwards, you just turn the cube and do this. It might look like it's getting scrambled, but it's actually in the end gonna be good. So the same, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left. Here it's just, now it's good now, but we're just gonna have to do it one more time for these two. Up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left. One more time, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left. Now you just positioned this correctly and you solved it. Nice. Now I'm gonna show you one last resume, and I wish you liked this video.
Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Hey, I'm never the same. Whenever you're calling my name, I'm taking my sweet time. Golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Oh
you guys for watching the video till the end, and I just have one more question. Which one of these cubes do you want me to show you how to solve next? Bye!